shove the food in his mouth. Then you shove it in more with a bone. Pooper scoopers. Alright. And then, to make him poop, yeah, this is a very classy game, you squeeze this, and then he craps. This game is awesome. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh gosh, there it is. Go more, Mom! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh gosh. Let me just help you out there. Doggy do poop, Genie. No.